Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. A drone flyover takes 4 hours and reviewing the data manually takes 3 weeks. By then, your defects have cost you another 8,000 euros. Here is how to go from flyover to action plan in 48 hours. Drone inspections are incredible with thermal imaging, RGB, and electroluminescence. You can inspect 50 megawatts in a single day. But then, what happens to the data once the drone lands? A typical workflow captures 15 to 30,000 images per flight. A human analyst then reviews images manually for 20 to 40 hours. They generate a PDF report with defect photos and descriptions. The operations team interprets the report and decides what to fix, taking another 10 to 20 hours. Total time from flight to action can be 2 to 4 weeks. Meanwhile, every defect is costing you money every single day. We compress weeks into days using AI agents and automation. Phase 1 is an autonomous drone flight that covers 50 megawatts in 4 to 6 hours. Real-time data uploads to the cloud happen during the flight. Phase 2 is AI image analysis, which finishes in 1 to 2 hours post-flight. Thermal analysis finds hotspots and maps temperatures automatically. RGB analysis detects soiling, physical damage, and shading. Electroluminescence imaging reveals micro cracks and cell failures. Our AI correlates thermal hotspots with EL cracks and RGB damage on the same module. Every defect gets tagged, classified, and geolocated automatically. Phase 3 models financial impact in real time per defect, including power loss and revenue impact. Phase 4 generates an action matrix that prioritizes emergency work orders and ROI-based repairs. In a real example, a 75 megawatt site shrank repair delay from 26 days to 3 days. The traditional delay cost 22,400 euros, while the AI approach cost 2,600 euros. This saved 19,800 euros in accelerated issue resolution. ClearSpot identified combiner box pre-failures, high ROI module replacements, soiling cleanings, and inverter anomalies. The first-year financial return was 199,000 euros with a 2.7 to 1 ROI. 3 AI agent layers make this possible with image, financial, and workflow intelligence. Image intelligence detects defects and tags modules and strings precisely. Financial intelligence runs NPV calculations and scores ROI for prioritization. Workflow intelligence generates work orders, integrates with systems, and escalates emergencies automatically. If you manage over 30 megawatts, visit ClearSpot AI to request a free drone-to-action blueprint. We will show you how to compress your inspection to repair cycle and quantify how much you are losing to slow workflows. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot, smart device, smarter decisions.